C, D, E, F, G.
Yes.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, A, B, C.
Very good. So to do chopsticks, we start on F and G, right? Play it for Mommy. Right here.
Nice.